Good morning, everybody. Dominique Gibson is back with another video. So I'm out here, and where I'm at, they was talking about this huge, major snowstorm, and I'm on my way to work now, but I thought I'd just do a quick video for y'all and just show y'all what this big, huge snowstorm did. So, in my area, so I'll just show you a short video and then I'll be on my way to work. Alright, so this is what it looks like on my way to work. Alright. Oh, this is the snowstorm that we were supposed to have. This is the result of the snowstorm that we had since yesterday. So sorry about that. Somebody was walking by and I didn't want them to be on camera. But yeah, this is the result of the snowstorm that we had starting from yesterday, and then over here actually was mixed reports of it being that it was going to stop at 3 a.m. but when I checked my phone, I didn't see that. So. Alright, so that's it for this video. Again, I said I'm heading to work. I will be doing writing updates, reading updates, stuff like that, probably by this weekend, because I know I've been a bit behind on it, but I've been working on so many different writing projects this year. But I think it's finally about to slow down a little bit. So again, just keep watching out for new videos on multiple social media platforms, Facebook, Lemonade, Twitter, things like that. So Facebook, Instagram, Threads, stuff like that. So all right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.